Good morning, Mr. Daniel. Your 8 o'clock meeting is confirmed. Good. No interruptions today.
Papa, can I come to the bakery today?
Not today, my love. Maybe on Sunday.
Aw.
Be careful on the road, Lucas.
Always, my love. Always.
Morning, Lucas. Fresh bread today?
Of course! Come by at 9!
To the office, Mr. Daniel? Yes. And drive faster today. Next. Proceed.
Sir, the Wilson contract is ready.
Send it, and fix the numbers on page 3.
Your bread is the best in town, Lucas.
Thank you! That makes my whole day! Lucas, it's about your mother.
She collapsed this morning.
What? Is she okay? Which hospital? Maria, can you manage the shop? It's an emergency.
Of course, go!
My mother, Elena Torres, she was brought in this morning.
One moment, sir. Room 204, second floor.
Mama, I'm here. I'm right here.
Lucas, my boy. Is Daniel coming?
I'll call him, Mama. Don't worry.
Lucas, I'm busy. What is it? Daniel, Mama is in the hospital.
What happened? Is it serious? She collapsed. The doctors are still checking. Please come.
Cancel my afternoon meetings.
Yes, sir. All of them?
All of them. Elena Torres, room 204.
Second floor, sir. The elevator is to your left.
You came. Of course I came. She's my mother, too.
She had a mild cardiac episode. She needs rest and monitoring for 2 days. 2 days? What treatment plan do you have? Who called you first? Her neighbor, Mrs. Park. She found Mama on the kitchen floor.
She lives alone. Someone should check on her more.
I check on her every Sunday, Daniel. I didn't know that.
You never asked.
When did you last visit her, Daniel?
Christmas.
That was 8 months ago.
I know.
I've been very busy. We're all busy, Daniel. How is your bakery?
Small.
But it's ours.
My 2 boys. Together.
We're not going anywhere, Mama.
Daniel, are you happy?
Yes, of course.
Visiting hours are ending. Good night.
You can go home. I'll arrange a private nurse for tonight. I'll come back first thing tomorrow.
You rode here from the bakery?
It's not far. Let me drive you home.
My bicycle? We'll put it in the trunk. Careful, the chain is dirty.
I see that. Lucas. Thank you.
She's our mother, Daniel. That's enough reason.
Is Grandma okay, Papa?
She will be. She's resting and safe.
What about Daniel? Did he come?
Yes, he came.
Can we bring this to Grandma tomorrow?
First thing in the morning, my love.
Yay!
You were gone all day. Your 3 o'clock client called.
My mother is in the hospital, Victoria.
Is it serious? Do we need to move her to a private hospital?
She's fine. She just needs rest.
I'll have the chef prepare something. You look tired.
I'm fine. Just thinking.
From Lily?
She drew it herself last night. She was very serious about it.
This is the most beautiful thing I have seen in a long time.
She loves you very much, Mama.
Look, Daniel. Lily drew this for me.
She's 7?
Yes, she says Grandma needs flowers.
Mrs. Elena, how are you feeling this morning?
A little better, thank you.
Good. Any pain or discomfort?
No, not much.
Her numbers are better this morning.
See, I told you boys I'm strong.
Yes, Mama. The strongest. The most stubborn, too.
Oh, you too?
I want to do more. For her.
Then be present. That's what she wants.
Oh, look, the roses are blooming.
I see them, Mama. Beautiful.
I used to grow roses in the old house. Do you remember?
I remember. Red ones by the front gate.
Your father planted them for me. Our first anniversary.
I know.
Money doesn't plant roses, Daniel.
No, it doesn't. She's going to be okay.
Yes.
Because of you, she wasn't alone. That's what family is. I think I forgot that.
Boys, I want you to promise me something.
Anything, Mama.
Take care of each other. Whatever you have or don't have, you are brothers.
We promise, Mama.
I want to go home to my own kitchen.
First thing I'll do is make you soup. Daniel, the bill? It's done. Don't say another word.
I'm ready to go home, boys.
Yes, Mama. We'll take her home together. Together. Red ones, just like before.
Sit down, Daniel. You're always standing.
Old habit.
You and Lucas were so close.
We still are, Mom. Tea is almost ready.
He never stops.
That's Lucas. We were so close back then.
You still can be.
Mama, Sophie and Lily want to come for dinner Sunday.
Oh, yes. Tell them to come early. And you, Daniel, will you come too?
Yes, I'll come. Lucas, I'm sorry for being absent so long. Just don't be absent anymore. That's enough. together.